Hi family, I'm so glad you're here today to watch this tutorial. And in today's tutorial I am going to teach you how to braid, how to make cornrows on your mini twist to get the perfect braid out or wavy hair. Make sure you watch this video to the end because that's where all the magic takes place. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I love you. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, I'm Glory Abel and it's a pleasure to meet you. I am here to help you learn how to make your hair yourself as well as take care of your natural hair without breaking your bank account. My tutorials are perfectly made for beginners, and if you're looking to learn how to care for your hair and how to style your natural hair yourself, then be sure to keep tuning in for more videos like this one. Arigato! So basically, when I was making this mini twist, the parts I created were not clean parts because I don't care about clean parts sometimes. So I'm just going to braid my hair this way. All you have to do is create like a part. It doesn't have to be clean parts because you're still going to take this down anyways. The whole point of this video is to learn how to braid as well as how to get the perfect braid out. And we're not going to be using any products for this video, so we're just going to braid our hair all the way down. You understand, right? So just braid it. Make sure you pick every single strand of hair you have on your head and braid all the way down. You can basically leave your hair this way and wear wigs on it if you want to, but for me, I want a braid out. I want something different, something wavy. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I hope you guys are doing okay. I had a pretty rough week and got a little bit depressed with the events that took place in my country, but let me know in the comment section how your week is unfolding. And if you're open to having a conversation, you can always message me on Instagram. My DM is widely open, so you can follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description box and we get to talk there. That's not an issue for me. And voila, this is the day that the Lord has made. We are going to be taking these braids down and have fun with our new looking babies. Our new twist, okay, wavy twist, coily twist, whatever you want to call it. This is what I want, and I hope this is what you want too. This is the result we've all been waiting for. This is the magic I talked about. And hey there, hey family, hey love. Hello there. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you are, this is a great time to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. This is where you belong, baby. With me, we belong together. We're a family. So subscribe, join the family, okay? Give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're saying, if you learned something new, if you learned a new way to style your mini twist. Give this video a thumbs up, right? Leave comments behind. Your comments are so encouraging to me. I love it when you leave comments behind. I love it when you leave a letter for me to read. So leave comments behind. And after taking the braids down, this is what you should be having. These babies, this coily looking babies, this wavy hair. Shake that hair. Just shake the hair. You don't have to use combs because obviously you still have mini twists there. So just shake the hair. And anyways, I love it. And I hope you do too. So thank you for watching. And I will see you loves in my next video. Bye for now. Kisses.